There's no I in team, and I am just carving fusion.
My name's Grumpy Jesse, and I don't want any more friends. I don't want to be your friend. Okay? Do we have that clear? No more friends.
Ha ha ha!
Hey guys, I just made these, this is about a 15-minute real carving. Just showing you guys can carve whatever you want to do, but I kind of show this video, show how I hold the pieces in my hands. But you know, for the real rookie carvers, maybe wear those cut resistant gloves if you're going to hold your piece in the hand. I like holding my piece in my hand because I can rotate it and do everything like that. So it's just a quick carving of these little guys. They're pretty popular little guys, but so whatever. After hearing what I just said, I should say holding my wooden carving piece. Hey guys, here's what I use to make these little guys. They're, oh shoot, what's the name of the wood? Holly, I think. Here's Kutzall Extreme. Flame burr. It'll be in the description below. Use the code CFusion to save 5%. Here's the Rotozip wall tile cutter. So I take off the bulk with this. I do a little bit of detailing with this, still taking away bulk. I do fine detailing with these little metalworking burrs. You can find them on eBay for like 10 bucks or 12 bucks or something from China. Just type in 1/8 metalworking burrs. And this is an aluminum cutting burr to do the whiskers. And I do it just on the tip. As a buddy from Langley in British Columbia pointed out to me, it's a good thing to do. So that's what I've been doing lately, is just using the little tip of this aluminum cutter, or you can use a steel cutter to do that too. Like this is a steel cutter. And just do it on the side, just a little bit on the corner. Just like this. I don't know how to show you. Just touch it on the corner. It will make your beard hairs really thin, guys. But yeah, so that's what I use in this video to make these little suckers. Fridge magnets or keychain holders or something. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep the pictures coming of the New Wood Spirit carvers for the video 3 to Canadian1dude@gmail.com. It's in my About page.